rushed me. Nigga, I kill you. I had my gun. He rushed me, and I discharged.
Okay.
That's at my 12 o'clock.
Okay.
He stood there. I don't know if the bullet hit him, ricocheted, or whatever the case may be. Right now, he's 6 to 8 feet from me.
Okay.
To my 9 o'clock, which toward the school I just told y'all about. It's my chapter, bro. Swain. Christopher Swain. They say Christopher's down. Why Christopher down? I have now know. Christopher Lion brother, which is what's called the guy that Jamal Carter that's with me. Like, damn, what happened? Me and him dumbfounded, don't know. We picked a bunch of guys, and I don't know who did it. A bunch of guys ran to my 12 o'clock, grabbed the guy, and disappeared in a car. It was not a truck, it was some type of sedan. I'm not concentrating on the sedan because me and my other chapter brother, my fraternity brother, sees Chris to my 9 o'clock. Discharge here, that's my 9 o'clock. We both rushed to him with a female that I don't know who this female was. Me and Carter, Hannikin, grab Swain, lift his body up. He's saying, damn, I'm hit. I'm like, how you hit? What happened? He said, I don't know. We put him in my vehicle. I turn on my hazards light and we shoot ass here where I meet y'all two.
Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so you're facing this way.
I'm facing this way. I'm standing right here.
Okay, so I'm not asking you to remember exactly. So he rushes at you. You feel threatened because he's already threatened. Okay, and let me finish.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Let me talk. He's rushing. He's threatened to kill you. He's rushing at you. How many times do you think you shot?
I'm shot once. I know.
Okay. All right. So we don't know how Swain gets shot.
No, I do not.
Okay.
He was at my 9 o'clock.
So let me ask you this.
Yes, sir.
Other than your gunshot, how many gunshots did you hear?
I don't remember hearing nothing.
Okay. All right. Was there? Because I know you're concentrated on the threat at you. Did you hear anybody else say anything about a gun? Because I know you said there was a female and some other people in a car.
I don't remember hearing no one saying additional gun.
Okay.
Bam, bam, whatever the case may be, outside of my peripheral at my 12 o'clock.
Okay. All right.
People started screaming, asking what happened at my 9 o'clock when they saw Swain on the ground.
So, is the house at Elizabeth?
Yes.
Do you know if that house has a ring camera on it or anything? Do you know?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know if it does or not.
Okay, that's fine. If you don't know, you don't know. We can't make something be there that's not there.
I don't know.
All right. Let me go talk to Mr. Phillip again. Mr. Carter.
Jamal Carter. That's him.
Yeah, in the purple. Yeah.
He's on the telephone right now.
Yeah, I know exactly that. So, you guys just stand by with this gentleman for me for right now.
There's going to be cameras at the school.
Okay.
About 4 cameras.
Okay. All right.
Should face towards me.
All right. Let me go talk to this gentleman right here.
For the record, Judge, I'm stopping the body cam recording at the 40-minute, 30-second mark.
Investigator McManus, who is the bald gentleman with the olive shirt? Is that a colleague of yours? Is that a Grady person?
That was a gentleman that the Mr. Thomas had identified as his attorney.
Okay.
Had shown up at the scene.
Got it.
Or at the hospital, I shouldn't say scene.
Right.
At the hospital.
And Investigator McMahon, that statement that you took from the defendant in this case, he stated to you that when he discharged his weapon, Cooper was 6 to 8 feet away from him.
Approximately, yes.
And he also said Wayne was back at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Which would mean that Swain was standing to his left. You also have the opportunity to interview a Frederick Maddox.
Yes, sir.
And Judge, at this time, I'm going to publish approximately 4 minutes and 30 seconds of Mr. Maddox's statement from Investigator McManus's body cam.
All right.
And for the record, starting the body cam at the 53-minute mark on the dot.
What is your last name?
Maddox. M-A-D-D-O-X.
Maddox?
Yes.
What's your first name?
Frederick.
F-R-E-D.
E-D-E-R-I-C-K.
F-R-E-D.
E-R-I-C-K.
E-R-I-C-K. What's your date of birth?
9/1991.
What's a good contact phone number for you?
Area code 678-993-7118.
1027.
Got an address for him?
No.
What's your address?
4307 Langdon Drive, L-A-N-G-D-O-N
23.
Drive, Decatur, Georgia. 30035.
30035?
Yeah.
Okay. So you drove the gentleman that shot to the abdomen. What's his name?
From what I know, everybody call him Coop.
Okay, so you don't, do you know the guy?
Well, I know him from coming over the house from him being one of the bros.
Okay, so you don't know it.
Nah.
Okay. So tell me what you saw or heard tonight. Just what you saw or heard.
Okay. What I saw, what I was telling her, coming down the driveway as I'm finna move my girlfriend's car, the car that I drove Coop in.
Which is what? What kind of car is
It's
it?
a Nissan Altima.
Okay.
Black Nissan Altima. Coming down to move the car. As I'm coming down to move the car, by this time I see Coop rushing up. As he rushing up to the dude who shot him, it's on some like, yeah, what's up? Got his gun drawn. Oh, you gonna have to shoot me? I'm right here. You gonna have to shoot me? Pow!
Charlie Queen George.
Like I told her, through and through, because it was only one shot. He Coop through the abdomen, hit Swain in the thigh and the artery.
Okay,
Alright.
it's 1017.
And that literally was everything went literally was probably like a 5-minute window from me walking outside to go and get the car to what happened.
Okay. So did you hear other than that? Did you hear Coop say anything? What did you see Coop do or hear him say?
As literally, I'm walking down the driveway. I see everybody because cars are leaving, people still outside. He literally runs up full speed.
Full speed.
Boom. It's like 3 Q brothers that's trying to stop him. He gets around everybody and gets up to his face real close.
Who gets up to whose face?
Coop gets up to, I don't know his name over there.
Okay.
Gets up to his face. Oh, I'm here. What's up?
1023. Show me one male
But
detained.
he's like this. Like not reaching for
1023,
nothing.
one male
You know what I'm
detained,
saying?
possibly
Not reaching for nothing.
125 hours.
Pop.
Okay. All right. So you just heard the one gunshot.
That's literally what was all it, because I was right here. This is the distance.
Okay.
Literally.
Okay. So where is the dude that shot to the leg? Where's so
Okay.
so
Okay.
I'm the shooter.
You the shooter.
I'm the shooter.
Yeah. You right there. No. Come close. Right there. Turn around. Right there.
So and you're the aggressor.
This is Coop in his face. This
Okay.
close. So like
So they're literally they're about this. They're about this range.
Mhm.
Okay.
He hit him like that. Boom. So as
So-
he hits him, it was like, yep, just like that. Boom, boom, in the leg.
Okay.
One shot.
I can go with that. Okay. All right. So was anybody in the car with you when you drove Cooper down here?
One of the other bros, he's with him. Like he went with him, and I dropped him off in the front.
Okay. What was he wearing?
He got black, like a black collared shirt.
Okay.
Like some seersucker
I got you.
pants, dress shoes, flat.
Okay.
Black dude, dread. I want to say he had dreads. There was so much going on.
Yeah.
I can't remember. I want to say he has dreads, but dark skinned dude who was with Coop right now. He went up there with him.
Okay. All right. Hang tight for me. All right. No, come with me. Are you doing the report?
Yes.
Yeah. So come with me. Do you know the guy that came with you?
No.
Okay. You don't know him at all?
They all two bros.
I got you. I got you.
For the record, Judge, I'm stopping the recording at the 57-minute, 25-second mark. Investigator McManus Did you or any other Atlanta police officer make any arrests this night or morning?
For that scene, no, sir. Based on the totality of circumstances, the fact that you're getting 3 points of view. You've got Mr. Thomas's point of view, and your 2 witnesses. I can't talk to the other 2 victims because they're insurgents.
Okay, it's not that you were forbidden. The doctors are saying you can't interact with these folks.
No, they've gone to surgery.
Got
I
it.
physically just can't talk. So, and we had information there may be video cameras out at the incident location. So don't have a real complete picture of what took place. So it's not uncommon to kind of obtain statements and run it by supervisors, and if they're okay with it, to release everybody, verify who everybody is, make sure that nobody's flight risk, nobody's going to get on an airplane and leave on us. We know who all the involved parties are, and we felt it was best to release them, send this over to, at that time it was our gun assault team, but it's now called the ag assault unit, and have them do more follow-up before charges, if there were going to be any charges for me.
That kind of brings me to my next question. Typically, what is the Atlanta police procedure to follow up on a shooting case like this? So you said that you hand it off to the gun assault team or ag assault unit?
Yeah, so part of what we respond to a lot of these things. I do this all the time. So we go out, we do a preliminary investigation. Okay, where, again, we're usually responding within minutes, depending on how big it is, of the incident. So we process scenes, we take initial statements, we try to find video, we try to do as much as we can, depending on the totality of the circumstances at the time. But sometimes those incidents, we document them, and then we send it over to the appropriate investigative unit, in this case, ag assault or robbery, special victims, property crimes, auto theft, whatever the case is, and have them, because they have people more resources than I have to do a better investigation, a better totality of circumstances, because what I have at that time can change based on evidence. More witnesses can come forward, video can surface, social media can pop up. So, what we have at the time, that it may be going one way, but it can turn and go another.
So you transferred your responsibilities to an investigative unit.
It would have gotten assigned, or it had gotten assigned to another detective.
And did this conclude your involvement in this case?
Yeah, after this night I never spoke to the lead detective after that. I was never asked to do anything further with it. So,
okay. Judge, I think that's all I have for Investigator McManus.
All right. Ms. Hopkins? And just to manage your expectations, in about 8 minutes, we're going to have to stop. So you have as many minutes as you want, but I'm going to interrupt you if it's more than 8.
It's fine. I have 3 questions.
All right.
Good morning, Investigator McManus. You are post-certified, correct?
yes,
And you have arrest powers, correct?
yes, ma'am.
And based on what you heard that night, if you felt a crime had been committed, you would have arrested somebody, correct?
Not necessarily.
So if you thought a crime happened, you would have let it go?
It depends on the totality of circumstances.
And the totality of these circumstances was no arrest.
No arrest.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
All right. I think that was 4 questions, but I'll let it slide.
I had to clarify another one because
Understood.
the third one didn't go the way I wanted.
So, I mean, I can, if I may, I can clarify something for you.
Had no further questions, Your Honor. There's no questions before the.
Nope, we're good unless there's any follow-up from Mr. Costello, but I think I've understood the way you've responded to both Mr. Costello and Ms. Hawkins about the way you process things and the of the overall investigation that you had. Mr. All right, Investigator McManus, thank you for your time.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you
Thank
being here. All right, we are at a natural break point. We should have one witness left.
I do, Judge, and given the time, I guess we're done for now, and
We are. I'm sorry to
Barnett after.
make that officer wait around, but we're going to need to do that. Did we, Ms. Hopkins, get into the record through Exhibit 3 as well as the playing of Mr. Maddox's interview with Investigator McManus, the impeachment material you were thinking you might need that would require having Mr. Maddox reappear, or is it the next officer that you're going to get that from?
I believe Officer Barnett will complete it, because that was only a 3 or 4 minute portion.
So there's more Mr. Maddox to come.
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's be back here at noon. I will try to keep my call with this Colorado judge to 1 hour from 11 to noon, and then we will try to wrap things up. The officer, how long do you envision your direct?
Not very long, Judge. Max 30 minutes.
Okay. So should be less than an hour for this officer, unless there's lots of video we're playing, and then we can talk about closings.
Yes, Your Honor. I was gonna ask you about closings. I was gonna figure some things out during the break. Is there a hard stop time today?
If we are into 2 o'clock, I'm going to start seeming distracted because of things I have later this afternoon.
Okay.
I don't know if that's helpful.
I think if what the state says is true about the witness, being 30 minutes, I don't have any questions, or I don't have to talk to her for that long. I think that we'll be fine.
Okay, excellent. Then I'll see you all as close to noon as I can make it. Thank you. Ms. Rivers, you're good and can rejoin us around noon?
Yes, I can.
You stop the screen share, Mr. Costello?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, excellent.
Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you're good till noon.
Okay, great. Thank you.
I think, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, he is.
You saw the show? Are you kidding me? On Monday? You should especially set that. If you have a 14-hour operation. That's a Judge Morris case.
Who is doing it?
Connor and Hannah?
There's actually Connor and Julia. Hannah's in the third chair.
Okay.
Julia says that I don't worry about Monday. He needs especially separate to
Yes. I don't even know how that calendar is working right now because it's like, they were saying like we were gonna do like 4 or 5 trial week period. So it's like, are we supposed to dispose of all 17 of those cases in 4 or 5 weeks or?
I just found a motion to admit a dying declaration.
That should be a fun one.
Yeah, so, I don't know if it's gonna resolve it, so. Yeah, that's the printing over the shirt. So, 'cause mine is on the 17th trial calendar, but it says the week of the 24th. So.
Yeah, I did see that,
it's on
yeah.
the week of the 24th. So I don't know. I should use the rest of it.
No, you. I don't know what it is. I don't have. Just shoot that out. Oh, you wasn't invited to. Oh, they go, probably go back up. Well, they got another, they put another dip. So like every they put some bill security. You probably around there and they move that. I mean, move that. Now. Chill out. Yeah, I'm gonna get my bag, yeah, that's probably. Alright. Appreciate you. Alright,
No. Hey, I was using the bathroom. Yeah, I'll Oh, thank you. I love that suit. Just chill, have a good Friday. Somebody call me. Yeah.
Looks like phone now.
Okay, Deputy Gordon, next up.
All right, see y'all next week. Monday. Yes. Do you leave early? Monday, I'm typically here by 5. Okay. Yeah. You gonna come by after you get off of work? Aren't you off? Well, because Monday I go to jump at 7, so I typically on Monday I stay in my 5. Okay, well, I'm gonna be here. Yeah, I'll be here at least until at the latest 5:15, 5. Okay. All right, see you.
Don't rush. Next thing I know, we'll be downstairs with wise.
Like both places, so y'all put everything together. Plan places to go. Yeah. They want to talk about you.
Never people show up and go, the jury will work this out. Yeah. Situation, yes, there will be ordinary. In fact, your words were, you were, because
because he was in front of Swain, a distance away. Because he was in front of Swain, a distance away.
This is ADA Costello. I'm in the courtroom. We can kind of hear some background conversation going on, just so everyone's aware. This is ADA Costello. I'm in the courtroom. We can kind of hear some background conversation going on, just so everyone's aware. This is ADA Costello. I'm in the courtroom. We can kind of hear some background conversation going on, just so everyone's aware. This is ADA Costello. I'm in the courtroom.